something a little bit different, but it's definitely going to be exciting. So later, Brittany's gonna take me to Rodeo Drive, because that's another place that I wanted to see while I'm here in California. So I'm like, okay, that could be an interesting vlog, but like, how can we just turn it up a little bit? How can we give it a twist? We are going thrift shopping here in Los Angeles today. So our twist is, I am going to pick out Brittany's outfit. Yep. Brittany is going to pick out my outfit. We can't say no, and we have to stick to under $30. Okay, we're gonna see what we find. Let's do it. Brittany's too bougie to thrift shop. Bougie Brittany. Look at her mask. Look at her mask.
I'm ready for rodeo.
Clearly she is. I need some gold masks.
Here.
Brittany, we said rich, not party city Halloween costume.
I mean, you could be rich. You're the king of hearts.
Oh my god. I told you I was gonna make you goth and rich, Brittany.
Oh god. Walking down Rodeo in that? No, thank you. Don't make me do it. I will come against you.
We will do this together, Brittany. We are in this together.
The gaudiness together.
I'm ready.
You might have to rock this, Lindsay. I did say I wanted you to try cheetah because you're not into animal print. And it's yellow. It matches with your blue hair. Like, you might have to rock this.
Oh my god. Oh, Brittany.
Yoo-hoo.
Woohoo. Oh, snap. Look at this entire snack we got. Look at the pizza.
Well, look at... Wow, what is that? Is that a couch cushion?
It's a car seat cover. Clearly.
But it's fire.
Fire. Scrunchies are important.
I'm actually gonna put my hair up higher so that way right here so you can see the scrunchie.
Yeah, it's gotta be predominant.
Yes, it's gotta be like all the way up here. Like.
Where's your purse, Brittany? Brittany, your purse. Brittany, get your purse.
You're right.
It completes the outfit.
The Justice purse with limited edition pen mark.
Limited edition pen mark. And strut, and strut, and strut, and strut. Ooh, 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 ooh. Love it. So, I guess we're gonna do our makeup a little bit better and Rodeo Drive. We're coming for you. Brittany, on a scale from 1 to 10, how ready are you?
-2.
-2, her. Okay. Wow. You are. This is Beverly Hills, baby.
This is fashion at its finest.
This is fashion at its finest.
This is the latest in China. Oh no, Japan.
Japan. Let me just tell you, we are getting the best looks, right, Brittany?
All the looks.
All the looks. Ooh, but she's slaying though.
I'm trying.
She's slaying. Look at those heels.
Hot pink. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
We're the snackiest snacks you've ever seen.
I mean, yeah.
So we just took some fantastic pictures of Brittany in this cute little area. I'll post some right here. And then we were told we had to leave because we can't do professional pictures there. And I'm just gonna take that as a compliment that we look like we're doing professional photography right now.
That's what these outfits. 10 out of 10.
That's the best compliment we could have got. She is beauty, she is grace. These are the photos that we are getting. Look at this cinematic masterpiece.
This is your perfect song.
You couldn't pay me to wear that. You could pay me to wear this, what we're wearing right now, but you couldn't pay me to wear that. That's
ridiculous.
Walks away in pizza outfit and yeah.
At least I match, okay? At least I have morals.
I'm not making fun of you, you just look like a snack.
Oh, hello.
Hello.
Like one of my pizzas.
Yes, I would. Whoa. Whoa. Right next to Via Rodeo. Oh, look at that. I just dared Brittany to TikTok in front of Jimmy Choo because everybody was staring at her from the store. So this could be really funny.
They're looking at me.
I know, that's why it was funny. I'm so excited. Are they watching you?
Yes.
You did it perfectly!
They're looking at me.
They're looking, run, 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 run! Wow, so beautiful.
Wow, it's so pretty the poor can't even see it.
Brittany,
I'm pretty sure.
this mannequin stole your look.
I'm pretty sure I saw this at Goodwill earlier today.
I can't believe this right now. There's no, it literally looks like what you're wearing, minus the pizza. I have never seen a diagonal cross before.
You can definitely do it.
I'm from New York. It's not in New York. That's so cool. Okay, okay, look. We couldn't really go into any stores because we're filming, but we did a lot of window shopping, right? And our consensus is these are not the most ridiculous outfits on Rodeo Drive.
Not at all.
Because we saw a mannequin that looked just like Brittany, minus the pizza on her shirt. And I swear there are just some things that I would never, ever, you couldn't pay me to wear, but they're probably worth thousands, so that's what I have to say about that. Brittany walks the red carpet in her pizza outfit. Ooh.
This was the designer. This was made by Goodwill.
The Goodwill.
The Goodwill.
Goodwilliam.
Goodwill. It was by Goodwilliam.
Goodwilliam. Okay guys, well that was quite an experience and a very different vlog than what we're used to, but I had a lot of fun. Did you have
I had a lot of fun too. I think we should do this in every country we go to.
Everywhere. We're doing this everywhere because it was very entertaining, and man, the looks we got.
I would love to do this in Japan where they already have crazy outfits, so like would we be normal?
No, we're gonna get even crazier. Better keep watching because you know we're always gonna be a sight to see.